Long ago, in a peaceful kingdom, there lived a magnificent royal elephant named Peanut. Though he was the largest and strongest animal in the kingdom, he was famous for his gentle heart. He never harmed anyone. He greeted the stable keepers with calm eyes, accepted sugarcane from laughing children with incredible care, and moved with graceful dignity. The king treasured Peanut, seeing him not as a weapon of war, but as a symbol of peace and kindness. His stable stood beside the outer wall of the royal palace, where life remained calm and predictable. Every day was filled with care, affection, and gentle voices. But one night, everything began to change. Outside the elephant's stable, hidden by darkness, a group of ruthless bandits discovered the perfect place to gather. Believing no one could hear them, they met there every night to plan robberies and attacks. Their conversations were filled with hatred. "Show no mercy," their leader whispered. "Strike first. Crush anyone who stands in your way. Kindness is for the weak." Night after night, Peanut lay quietly inside his stable while those angry voices drifted through the open window. He couldn't understand the words, but he absorbed the emotions, the rage, the cruelty, the aggression. Slowly, something changed inside him. The peaceful elephant who had known only kindness began to believe that anger was normal. Fear became his companion, and violence became familiar. One morning, his old keeper approached with fresh banana leaves, smiling as he always had. Without warning, Peanut let out a terrifying shout. His gentle eyes burned with rage. He grabbed the frightened keeper with his trunk and threw him to the ground. Then he smashed through the stable doors and charged into the palace courtyard, sending everyone running in fear. The entire kingdom was shocked. "How could this happen?" the king cried. "He has always been gentle. No one has ever harmed him." Unable to understand the sudden change, the king called for his wisest minister. Instead of bringing soldiers or chains, the minister brought patience. He quietly observed the elephant throughout the day. Peanut wasn't injured or sick, yet his eyes constantly searched for danger, filled with suspicion. That night, the minister hid near the stable. Just after midnight, the bandits returned. Again, they filled the darkness with cruel words and violent plans. The minister watched as Peanut's ears lifted toward every conversation. The elephant listened carefully, absorbing every ounce of anger. At that moment, the minister understood. The next morning, he stood before the king. "Your Majesty," he said, "the elephant is not sick. He has simply become the product of what he hears every night. His surroundings have reshaped his behavior." "Can he be saved?" the king asked. "Yes," replied the minister. "But first, we must change what fills his ears." That very evening, the bandits were driven away forever. In their place, the minister invited wise teachers, gentle musicians, kind storytellers, and peaceful monks to gather outside the stable. Instead of hatred, they spoke of compassion. Instead of violence, they shared stories of courage, patience, forgiveness, and love. Soft music drifted through the cool night air. Night after night, Peanut listened. The anger slowly faded. The fear disappeared. The kindness that had always lived inside him began to awaken once again. Within days, the wildness left his eyes. Soon, children were once again feeding him sugarcane, and the great elephant accepted each gift with the same gentle care he had shown years before. The kingdom rejoiced. The king smiled as he watched his beloved companion return, not because someone had forced him to change, but because his environment had changed. For the young ones listening, moral of the story is a clear warning about the power of influence. If you hang around people who love to bully others and spread negativity, you will slowly start to act just like them without even realizing it. Choose friends who are kind, helpful, and lift you up. For the adults, take a brutal look at your current inner circle and the media you consume. Who are you listening to when the lights are low? If your daily environment is filled with people who constantly gossip, complain, cheat, or settle for mediocrity, your brain will slowly accept that toxic standard as your baseline. You cannot build a high-value, peaceful life while marinating in a low-value, chaotic environment. If you enjoyed this timeless story, subscribe to Echo Sprout, where every story plants a seed of wisdom.